Good morning, all of you. So, myself Nithya. So, from CSE department, today we are going to see the topic of control structures in that decision making and branching. So, what is meant by decision making? Decision making means so in that we have to check one condition. The condition is true means some set of process to be executed. False means other set of process to be executed. So, the type of conditional statements is the five. So, if else if, nested if and switch. So first we are going to see simple if condition. So in that we are going to see what is the syntax, flowchart, example program and output. So this is the syntax of if condition. So if statement. So if is a keyword. So inside the bracket we have to given the condition. Whether the condition is true, the statement of if condition to be executed. This is the flow chart. So here we have to given the condition in that. So the true means if code to be executed. So the condition is false means so next line of if code to be executed. So this is the example program. So in that first line hash include stdio.h. So this line indicates the preprocessor directives. So in our program we are using printf and scan function. That's why we include the header file of stdio.h. The next line is int main. This is the starting line of execution. Inside the main function, the first line is int number equal to 0. So in that we are initializing the value of first we declare the variable number and initialize the value is 0. The next line printf. So what the printf do? So within double quotes, the statement to be printed in our output screen. The next line is scanf. So scanf means in our program we are enter number is in at the time of runtime. So that value, this line indicates where the value to be stored. So in number, for example, we enter a number is 4. The 4 to be stored in the address of number. So that is indication of this line. The next line is if condition. So in if condition, we have to check 4 modulo 2 equal to 0. Modulo means we taken the output of value 0. We have to take the output of remainder. 4 modulo 2, so obviously the output is 0. 0 equal to 0. So the condition is true. So that if condition to be if the code of if condition is executed. So what is the if condition code? So inside the curly braces, the printf statement to be executed in our output screen. So what is the replacement value of percentage %d? So percentage %d is replaced by number, the variable number variable value. So number is a variable, so the value of number is 4. So 4 is replaced by percentage %d. So 4 is even number, so that is print in our output screen. This is the first example program. So second example program is find the largest of 3 numbers. We given the consecutively 3 numbers we have to given in our we are given at the time of runtime. So we have to check what is the largest number among 3. The first line it indicates the preprocessor directive. Second line it is the starting line of main function. The inside the main function first line indicates it is a declaration, the variable declaration. We declare the 3 variable a b c. So the second line printf. So what is inside the printf? So enter 3 numbers, that is print in our output screen. So for example we enter 456 is the value at the time of runtime. So the 456 is stored first 4 values stored as in ampersand of a. That means it's stored in the address in the address of a. Second 5 is replaced by ampersand b. So 5 is stored address of b. Second, the final value 6. 6 is stored inside the c. So in the address of c. So in value in a b c, the value of 4 5 6 is stored. So the next is condition check. So if a first of all a value is 3. So 3 4 5 6. So the value a is 4. First we have to check 4 greater than 5 and 4 greater than 6. The two statement of output is false, so the value is taken as 0. In AND operator, 0 and 0, it is obviously the output is 0. So if 0 means it indication false, the condition is false, so if condition is not executed. So in if condition, in the first if condition, we use first relational operator and logical operator. So if the second, if the first if condition, the condition is false, so the inside the if condition code not executed. The second thing, the second if condition, the automatically the compiler move to the this if statement. Here 5 greater than 4 and 5 greater than 6. So the first condition is true and say this is false. So 1 and 0, obviously the output is 0, false. These if condition also not executed. The third if condition is 6 greater than 4 and 6 greater than 5. So the two condition relational operator value is output is 1. So 1 and operator 1. So the value is 1. So 1 indicate it's a true. So if condition true means the inside the if condition statement to be executed. So in output screen, percentage %d is largest. What is the value is replaced by percentage %d? The C value, the value of C is a 6. So 6 is the largest number. So the next if condition, the if condition is true, the it's a code of if statement to be executed. The next line also an if condition. So inside the if condition, we have to check all the values 0. So all the values are equal. So that is not true. If the condition is true, if the condition is false, the inside the if statement not executed. So the final it reaches the end of the program. So the final output is enter the 3 number 4, 5, 6 and 6 is the largest. Thank you.